Coming in now is your 1855 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from Witham. This is due to engineer works being carried out. Number is 82132, and that's heading to Norwich. So see you in a bit when this train departs from Stowmarket. See you in a bit. Slowly getting ready to depart now. It's your 1855 Greater Anglia service to Norwich. Be leaving Stowmarket now, shortly for Norwich, calling it Dis to Norwich. So once again it's your 1855 Greater Anglia service to Norwich. Slowly leaving Stowmarket. We've got a non-stop service coming through Stowmarket, which does not stop here. 19005.